replacing the plastic bypass valve with a Boomba bypass valve. Install is pretty easy. Kind of have the turbo inlet dangling, but you just pop it in. It says to trim it. I'm not going to do such a thing. And they verify that you don't have to do that, but you just put it up there and good to go. They do provide a little extension right here that's gonna come up there and feed this. So let's see what happens when it's all put back together. Super straightforward install. There's really nothing that I can explain about it. I mean, you just swap them out. I've been looking at Steam Speed. They got like replacement turbos for the stock location. I kind of want to do it. I know I'm gas limited being here in good old SoCal, but I think it'll be neat. Yeah, I'm gonna swap this baby out. Well, I mean, their turbos are still being there. If you pre-order or whatever, I didn't get in on that because I kind of want to just see some results before I go for it. And yeah, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna reset the ECU, probably because that's a good idea. More prominent. I'm not sure. I'll have to check the GoPro. But oh, that's kind of cool. Looks all right.